Hey, beautiful, you made it.
I know, right? This place is beautiful. I didn't get your name though.
It's Machel. And you're Mila, eh?
Yeah, I'm Mila, but I never remember telling you my name. And it's so weird.
What's weird? And I do remember you telling me your name.
Believe it or not, I had a dream about you, and your name was Machel in the dream.
So I'm the man of your dream? That's flattering. But pull over here another thought. Get to know each other some more.
Oh, fair. No problem.
Will you take the lamp home? Hmm?
Mm,
Baby,
yeah.
you feel good? Come here. Mm.
I've never done that before, I've never, so sweet.
Don't worry, baby. I love you from a long time. It's like we know each other very long. I don't want to tell you. You gonna come back?
Yeah, man. Then I come back tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day. Mila, I have the keys. Rankin the jail. The him scan the dirty mouse and I want you in fan out a man $1 million. One must you have one with him.